Hey everybody! Okay, so I have a large part of this process video missing, but I decided that I would just kind of make it work. I'm going to be working with this cut file from Cut2You today. I've cut it in black, which is just a fabulous color to cut your cut files in. If you've never tried it, I highly recommend it. I'm going to back this cut file with lots and lots of different pattern papers from Vicki Boutin's Storyteller collections. I just think this collection lended itself really, really well to a black cut file. Now, what happened was I decided I wanted to show you how I back my cut files because it's been a while since I've recorded my process. And then I turned my camera off to go eat dinner and came back and didn't turn my camera back on. So user error big time. But I decided to keep the video simply because that way you get to see how I back my cut files, which I don't generally show a whole lot of. So what I do is I turn my paper over, I use a pencil, and I mark the inside line of my cut file with a pencil. So the cut file's turned over, the pattern paper is turned over. I take my scissors and I just kind of go ahead and do a little bit of I cut it out, but with a bit of an edge to it. I use a glue pen from Close to My Heart. These seem to last the longest. And then once I have that glue onto the back of the cut file, I just kind of push that paper down over it. I trim it if I need to, but most of the time it's perfectly cool, just like that, right? So you can see there, super cute. I've alternated all of the different patterns from the collection. And honestly, this cut file, because these patterns are so cool, when I turn the cut file over, it looks just as nice on the back side as the front side. So after I was finished backing this cut file, I adhered the cut file to a piece of cream colored paper. And then I created my layout using the Vicki Boutin Storyteller collection. So that's the part we're missing from this video, but I added lots of detail shots at the bottom, at the end, so I can kind of give you almost like a layout share type. So there we have the cut file all backed. I used all those beautiful patterns. And then you can see how placing that cream colored bit, the cream colored cardstock underneath the cut file really pops all those beautiful patterns. And then when it was all finished, I put the photos at the bottom of the page. I backed them with some of the 6x8 Vicki Boutin paper pack. I added to the top right in that open space my journaling and some thickers, and then I also added some black splatters at the end. And it turned out really, really cute. To get a closer look at this layout, head over to the Cut2You blog. I'll have a link down below. And I hope you try backing a cut file and cutting your cut files in black because they really do, it really does make them pop. Have a wonderful day. Bye.